Every time you step outside, disaster falls.
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you guys.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself. It's out on me, be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
Just protecting me, he's not dangerous.
And you want to keep it a secret? To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
Yes.
You've got a friend.
I can't find myself. Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. How long won't come home?
Walking out of town, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind.
I'm not gonna let anything happen to you.
Always
I
in
promise.
my space, but I know someday
It's me, I'm right here, bud. Come back to me.
I'll feel you.
Please, you are my best friend, bud. Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. We did it! And me. As one. You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you.
Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass.
Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there.
Skin and bone.
Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too. Go, Toothless. Go.